Hello, Mrs. Bass here with your instructions for today. Today you're going to work on your project 12, and this project is about location. We have been working with this vocabulary, saying where things are located. So you are going to, this plan is pretty much self-explanatory. So you have your steps here. You will excuse the cat that is playing with the ball in the background. And but you're gonna need 7 slides, and one of the slides you're gonna put the title of your project, your name, and you know what? I made this example for you right there. It's the example that you can use, and this is all you have to do. You're going to ask the question where the item is, and then you're gonna say the location for the item, and you're gonna post a picture or an image showing, illustrating what you're saying. That's all you have to do. Oh, and I forgot, here you have your warm up, and you're going to answer this question that I'm asking you. Like, you're gonna answer it orally. So you're gonna record your answer here. Oh, I see already some there. Good job. That means you're already working on it. All right, that's all for now. I don't have anything else for you today. So I'll see you later. Adios.